So if somebody want to know about tofu, how to cook, I like the best fried. So I'm gonna fry. I cut cubes and I fry. I'm gonna show. So when I'm frying, I like 325 to 350. Again, 325 to 350, but that's American Fahrenheit. Anyway, I'm gonna cut tofu. Actually, I will cut in not cubes but different, because the side is too big. You see, so cut half and maybe like this, like 1 centimeter or 12 millimeters. I would say 12 millimeters. Like I said, I choose extra firm. This is firm, but still, I like fried. So I'm trying to make light brown, kind of like light brown chicken. When it's light brown, I'm gonna pull out. If you want, you can cut smaller pieces. But to me, that's okay. I don't really like too small, because when you fry, it might fry too much. I don't like to burn, so I'm trying to make like not to burn. So you see it's swimming on top. So this is ready. So I like tofu with salad or with fried food or any food like side dish. After frying, you need to season, put salt, any seasoning you like. So I do like it. That's all I can say. Have a good time. Bye.